Hi Eunice, in this presentation we're going to talk about the market design for my Studio 3 project. In this project we are required to design a market in Kajang town. The site is where north faces the MRT Gate B, east where the shop houses are, and west is where the Sungai Langat and the houses are located. The site is currently an illegal parking space where people just park there for no reason, and it's also an empty space. And also the locals find that site quite unattractive and they wouldn't even visit there. This site, it is a buildable area of 700,023 square meters. Based on the measurements and everything from the site, I came up with a few ideas for my market. My intention is wanting people around Kajang to explore more in arts and crafts. It is also because Kajang barely has any art stalls or anything related to arts and crafts. So my building program, it will be like arts and crafts in the morning till night, and there's a cafe as well for people to gather there, and it will be open at 12 p.m. till midnight 12 a.m. My concept is wanting the people to have comfort and a place where everyone can gather as well. This is my building. The reason why it's designed this way is because based on my concept just now, I want it to look like a little homey, so the building will actually belong to the site and people will actually be comfortable in going to the market. This is my floor plan. It's oriented this way. It's because when people arrive at the drop-off area here, the entrance is already there for them over here. And also people can immediately see the view. Oh my god. Wait. And the people can also immediately see the view straight here. Yeah. And since my site, my building, it will be a family friendly space and also eco-friendly. So my materials for the eco-friendly part, it's like timber and also precast concrete, and uses a polycarbonate roof to provide natural lighting to the market during the day. The pink lines are actually vehicular access and the green line is actually pedestrian access. My design principle is axis because it's because of this straight path here. Like people can just go straight and see the view. These are my spaces. Over here is the loading bay, and this building here and this building, it will be the stalls. Over here is the toilet area, and here is the cafe area. This is how the outdoor dining area looks like from the cafe. This is the common space. Like you see, people can just chill here and look at the view out here, and over here is the path to the toilet. These are my interior perspectives, and as you can see, this is my art and craft stalls, where people and also workshops, they are combined together, so they can buy, and also if they want to learn, they can just learn. This is the common area, and this is the way to the toilet, and this is the cafe area.